Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to send a voice message or a recording to your team members on the Connecteam application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, click on the chat button down below. Tap on Team Chat, and here you can find this speaker icon next to the type a message chat box. Tap on it, click on OK, and now you should go to your phone's settings where you need to search for Connecteam. Tap on microphone. On the right side of the screen you have this button. In order to enable the application to have access to your microphone, go back to the application. You should wait a few seconds, tap on chat, team chat, and now tap on the recording button. And now you have the chance to record your message. When you are done, click on the send button, and now you have sent your voice message. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.